Hello and welcome everyone. This is Froilan bringing you another exciting update from the world of AI and digital marketing. In today's episode, we are diving into the latest advancements in CRM technology and how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach marketing strategies. Whether you're a marketing professional, a business leader, or just an AI enthusiast, you are in for some insightful revelations. So stay tuned as we unfold the cutting-edge developments that are shaping the future of customer relations and marketing efficiency. Let's get started. So this is the article that we will go through. 5 ways CRMs are leveraging AI to automate marketing today from MarTech. So it says here that AI can understand speech and text, and the more your marketing team uses your CRM system for phone calls, chats, notes, calendars, and email conversations, the more these systems can start gauging the sentiment of your prospects and customers. Listeners, this statement underscores a monumental shift in customer engagement. AI's ability to understand speech and text is not just about processing information, it's about gaining deep insights into customer emotions. This marks a new era where businesses can proactively respond to customer sentiment, transforming every interaction into a personalized experience. As a digital marketing authority, I see this as a pivotal development. It's not just about data, it's about understanding the human element in every conversation. So, it actually says here as well that today's CRM and marketing platforms are being trained to closely watch how your sales and marketing professionals perform their job. Here we see AI transcending its traditional role. It's not just a tool, it's becoming a mentor. By closely monitoring the performance of sales and marketing professionals, AI is paving the way for a more refined and effective approach to customer engagement. This is just a significant leap forward in professional development, where AI aids in honing the skills of teams, ensuring that every interaction with customers is not just efficient but also impactful. As an expert in this field, I believe this is a game changer for how businesses train and develop their workforce. Alright, so actually I believe this one as well. AI can help solve this issue by AI can solve issue by suggesting additional services and products to customers based on their history and demographics. So basically this point highlights the transformative power of AI in personalizing customer experiences. Leveraging historical data and demographic insights, AI is enabling businesses to not just sell, but to offer solutions that resonate with individual customer needs. This approach is revolutionizing how we think about sales and marketing, moving from a transactional to relational relational mindset. I've been in the digital marketing many years, more than a decade already. I see this as a critical step towards more meaningful and lasting customer relationships. Also, it says here that AI is already changing that through enriched data, allowing marketing teams to work with more reliable, regularly updated data. So this sheds a light on a crucial aspect of marketing: data reliability. So AI's role in enriching data is definitely a testament to how technology can enhance the accuracy and usefulness of information. For marketers, this means strategies and decisions are based on data that is not just current but also comprehensive. I believe, this development is pivotal in ensuring that marketing efforts are more targeted, effective, and will yield better results. The other point here, I think this is the last point of this article here. The end result will be AI acting as a fully fledged member of your marketing team. This is a profound statement about the future of marketing. AI is AI is evolving from a supportive tool to an integral team member, capable of autonomously creating and personalizing marketing campaigns. This evolution signifies a major shift in how we approach marketing strategy and execution. As you know, I've been in this field once again. I see this as a groundbreaking development that will redefine the boundaries of creativity and efficiency in marketing. So that wraps up wraps up this episode. So I hope today's discussion has shed light on incredible potential of AI in transforming CRM and marketing practices. Remember, the world of AI is ever evolving, and staying informed is key to leveraging its full potential. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the latest in AI and digital marketing. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead in the digital world. Goodbye and take care.